hurt, you know. Sit now, respect nobody. People have to understand. Enough time people secret the picnic. My picnic them who were social the whole and pants. And 19 and 17 blood clot ear wall. And them kick them and pay me for blood clot, kick them too. And give me them back. Stop the blood clot. You go to their homework. Thinking catch out catch is blood clot, y'all. I'm about Tanya the over here rubber me intervene. Are you blood clot intervene? Come here, y'all look long time too. Move your blood clot. You feel a dumb gun.
Yes. Right, let's so cool out, don't be argument.
Chill.
Me could play.
Erica and Puss are friends. Then Erica and Puss are friends.
Sorry, like
I was at Puss live just now and I saw Erica there coming to. That's the problem with Puss. Remember, so we kill Puss and dead arm.
Scammer blood clot, money. And she couldn't come load it up, can I tell you to that? Here are you hear Voicenote for you tonight. Now the Voicenote segment this.
Jamaica too. That's why I say Puss and cheese Puss foot. Happy blood clot, bro. Tell me when they're ready for up on the move. Me I make them kill Puss. Jamaica too. That's why I say Puss and cheese Puss. Cheese, I like shit tell. Everything I like shit tell cheese. I should just come out of surgery. I can't talk good right now. I like shit tell. Lie. I push me up, go comment and say in pants down page. I do about my breast, the implant, because I didn't do. So I'm redo it back. Yeah, I don't put care, but I think a little bigger and so.
So, when you say Chin have a record of me planning to kill Puss, never, ever. Understand? You hear that? That.
You don't want to stress you. Tell them $1,000, man.
Yeah, we can't try yourself.
Too bad. You don't want to stress you.
Yeah, Nikki.
Me know, some not gonna look you back here. You run?
Yeah, man, the thing can't come from my life. No, dear.
Yeah, my mama got you. Every time you look at that thing, man, just come out to the place.
Sorry about one. Sorry about.
Wagwan cheese, the bamboo.
Yes, they are. And them say I'm me. Them say I'm me do it.
Just rise up. First your mama club. You know, dance so tight. I don't go there, go waste like a warrior and same speed. I go to you're not feeling the pain from surgery. I feel the kind of cheese, but I love it. Medication, I'm a thing there. I'm a feel good and thing like that. The last year, you know, response back was on.
I'm gonna like you drunk, bro.
The last year, you know, response back was on. Did it on the road and look at my chin. I said, digital,
no, she a push you, learn that drunk, bro. And she forgot sort out herself because she illegal like her friend diary.
Right now, pressure take me hard.
Cotton tree old diary.
Get in when you want to get nutrition, so give me a call.
Karen, I want kill Puss. No me. No me. She's the blast then I put the picture right through the door. You know,
I will never do my breath. I shut up about me have infection.
Yeah, we know you have infection.
Okay, British Jamaican.
Of course, infection shit. Every infection in your body. You know mean you can't move dog shit.
She me no know I was some blood clot reason. No girl.
That talk so much like she rich. That chopper, that's good.
Company na blood clot, my God cable. Post it on my friend. Post it on.
Yeah, friend, but
the bandage. She nasty Erica Tree that she talk about me.
well, it's good better than every girl.
That queen. Erica, her barn na blood clot. She give me 2 minutes. Them I go through the door, chief. You know the kids them come.
Saturday, why don't go no man?
You tell me 8 years.
So I'm done with that. What do I do? Oh, I lay down your body. Pink cheese. Like what are we deal with something cheese? Text me. See, I'm gonna use Western you then get me if they find out. I'm done with them cheese. When him get beat up, I come out of phone. She has to come give it now. But my chest get tight now, mama. But let's go and chill out. Let's go move them blood clot and go. She get the cheese. On 500 at first view, we get cheese. Then the second one, 200 add. And we not stay for it for a couple of minutes.
Chin, dirty pussy chin. Chin with the infected pussy and always cursing girl with clean pussy. Listen to
Hey,
this.
what's up, cheese? How are you doing? This is Bridget Cousin Chin. What's up, Bridget? She blink a while ago about something.
This way you just message me about this is when you tell Bridget to tell me say to get man to kill. When the woman named Puss, say you never send the money. Yes. Right, yes. So cool out. Don't the argument, my friend. Don't the argument. Listen up. What me say? Come now, what me say? What me say when time she send the money? Oh, I got
Never beg Chinny yet.
Oh, you want blood clot pay to kill people?
Never beg her yet.
Come over
For my kids them life.
You never send the money to man.
So she gonna give me baby because I'm tell her say my baby alright. Only no see me throw 2 blood clot bin bag of clothes. Kali no know her clothes. Right now I have 1 big bag of clothes. Where through the pandemic, Kalia grow them out. I like, I don't really know nothing about American school, you know.
Voicenote for you. Segment this.
Jamaica too. That's why I say post cheese post foot. Blood clot, bro. Tell me when they're ready for go and move. Me I make them kill Pope. I say post cheese post. Cheese, I like shit there. Everything I like.
Okay, people. Who want kill who? Uno so uno have no sense. Uno illiterate and dark. Let me turn down the music. So when you not talk about killy, you for remember who pay for kill Puss, not me. Why would Chin have proof of me planning? I want to so fool. Karen, who you man? Karen, your voice, you don't sound feminine. You can't know say Karen, ugly no blood clot. Big and favor one bullfrog. Big giant everybody. Karen, you mad? Why you mad? Why you mad? Me never plan to kill Puss, not here. You mad?
Hi, I'm Mother, Auntie, what's up?
Emily, my niece, you alright?
You made the right time, I just have to about one dirty woman a while ago.
Who she?
Dirty Mama Spice, you know her?
No, Sam, I don't really know them people there.
My uncle, one old man.
But us they are play because them I be a dead threat them a send come give me. And also them say me try to kill Puss. So what me do now, me play the killy thing where the killy last year. And them say,
Mm-hmm.
Chin, dash out the blood clot secret for me without warning. I beg you do. Fling it out, dash it out. I'm gonna tell you something. You see, if anything happen to Puss, China got prison. You see that vice note there? Where she send cheese? Oh God. You better pray. Not even an ear hurting and Puss itching. Cause you go prison.
What happened?
Them say me plot for kill Puss. So Chin say she go let it out. I want heavy blood clot girl when name Karen where obsession for me. Everywhere she go she a cuss me. I mean, don't know her enough. She said she has studied for be doctor. She have 5 job, but yet still every blood clot live. The dopey, the vampire, the cause you can't see them face, you know. Them eye,
How
them
this a call
chain.
me?
And a blood clot cuss me. When I report my life, when I sad, when I report it for music about Candy, me not stop play music. Me not stop play music. When you can't hear me now, you want silent me, you want this. You not follow me up. And Uno no want that warrior for done. Uno. Because every time, hi sister, every time the war for done, the big black gorilla go recruit new people for come and cuss me. And the cycle us a go. As me say, post pan a big man level. You're a grandmother of 4. You destroy your children them life. Hi Colleen. You destroy your children them life. And you blood kill is Candy. Candy, let me tell you something. After time, everybody gonna get bored. Stop fucking draining. Better know what you do. Now you in a minute. In a minute. Show her back right. You understand? Yes, and this a yoga song. Yeah? Uno love me. Me no clown like Puss, you can't trick me and kill me. She like to friend her enemy, and then she blood clot and the good people them have her back and she can't blood clot see the real from the fake because she so wrap her soul. Oh, I have to bring down Tanya, I have to bring, you can't bring me down. You don't see that? Hmm? You don't see say me a girl where yeah, step on the girl in England. The girl ain't no afraid of you, no, but the girl must say, so me can't bother cuss I beat up my gum. But me there for blood clot, salt your bullfrog. You can't rub me pussy, you dirty. Pussy get the biggest bring down. You not, even though you not no shame. The man come expose you say you don't have no. Which is I know, because you used to beg me. I'm tell you say, no, I can't, you're a rich woman, I'm forget rich woman and me poor. Talk truth next time. Nah, stop talk. Me not afraid of internet, me not afraid of Munchie. When they on fake page I rub me for no reason at all. Cause me I defend my kids, them woman I cuss my mother, I cuss my man, I cuss my baby them. I'm for those sit down and bumble clot take it. Put all the bad pan blood clot internet, put a idiot. Put lock up in her house and can't go in the dance because she knows that the motor beat the girl with a gear. All type of people are get involved. When it was the other side where they used to sit down and I cuss me and my mother and my kids, oh, when I laugh, kick. No, when I come out and I say, him mad, him this, everybody sad, I cuss. But when him did that talk to and I do the things them, when we were laughing. Now when you get back, when you forget back, I wanna hurt. Post, my mama always tell you. And at the end of the day, you are an outsider and you are going to left in the cold. For your blood clot feel, all of the bumbo clot things that you do. Me know my brother, you don't know him. All of what me tell you say, me and my brother come rub out your dirty blood clot. And you think I lie, me did I tell? Me tell you, hey, you don't listen to when me talk, you know. Because everything me talk, it coming up. I did say, Post, it take long, but I know this day was gonna come. And it's sweet, me no blood clot. The man bring you down to the ground. Yes, sister Atmore. No, sir, say him mad, but she say one say me husband, me baby, I love you. Exactly, Stam. No, we mother Shaggy all type of story. And she want blame, she try to scam her friend them. And then I say I like, uno for fucking idiot. The woman and the man did they St. Thomas in a June. Jesus Christ. And where them bunch of Looney Tune come from, man? When I go sit down and listen to the blood clot lies them and the woman I tell. Yes, Carly, me tell her. But she never want to listen. She was too determined for bring me down. When you bring down yourself, you not bring me down because at the end of the day, me and you go and same father and same mother. When DNA is strong, we are full.
Feed him. Yeah, what I eat? Give me one. No, Kali, you're not going. No. You understand? We are same mother. Hey, why Kali? Hey. Same mother, same father. Hmm? Who the panel here? Who? You go can never talk to Tanya. You're mad. Never. That will never happen. And my heart chose him. And him heart chose me. Can't chat to him, sister. And then hear them. Tanya, you go eat you, the boy. Eat you. Liar, blood clot, tell. My brother love me. Kwe dirty girl. You're not good like that. You can't blood clot all them sweet boy. The Gwe. Can never talk to her again. And me control the boy have to listen to everything me say. No ask Christ. And the boy chose me. What you say, Red Boot? Yeah, Teeny. What you say? Hey, Red Boot. I know me. What the gorilla glue? What you try? What you try? You need blood clot. No, your dear go come. You could have stopped long time. But your mental blood clot head, I tell yourself to keep on going. And you see where your blood clot gets? Woman say her pussy stink. The whole her body. You tell me now. Every time your man want him take off your drawers and be a shit stain. Exactly, him tell her to stop. And she no want stop. You take off your one blood clot panty and be a shit tonight like fucking hell. Yeah, people them on the life. Tanya hold this. For me for hold it. I hold it for your life, I hold it, you the range. Hey, look at them fool. The man said she pop up him hood, right? And hello. Then she said, Mama pop. Hold that Tanya, red bird. What a fart in your mouth. She tell them, say she fuck. I want. Yes. Tanya. Yeah, pop up them, you know, pop up me. Clot, your views go down instant when you do that nasty blood clotting there. Germs, woman, yeah, germs. Everybody run. Hear that song, yeah? What girls are run? Big up yourself, Master Britches. Yeah? The boy love me. And me control you, girl. Red boat. Me not stop make my man, my husband, bring you down. She shocked. I'm telling you, she afraid too. Sick blood clot stomach, Marsha British. She did a blood clot fret. I mean, know the boy in the day, you know. I mean, I laugh at foreigners when I hear that woman here. I put, but officer, I'm sister. I saw to send it from her. That's a try to bomb the place 2 weeks ago. The girl wicked.
But say if you never leak it, we wouldn't have a clue. Say you go. Yeah, me that for blood clot leak. I mean, they are wait on that day there. Huh? It take long for come, but post it surely come. I bet I put me out too and together when Tanya come out and talk. Yes, Teeny. Mr. Teeny. Well, I was about 2 weeks or a week. Me not sure. And Erica said, oh, she can't. Oh, you're not supposed to know cuss you go. But Erica, you're stupid because you see me not cuss him. You should have said, you know what I not cuss her, brother. Then here I know him in the comment section where he wasn't in no comment section. The spelling offish one look up bead where she came and she carry with the African them girl. The man hate you. All the man do a beat you 24/7, 44/8. The man jump in your head and your two eye them pulp out of your head. All senior citizens I get blood clot man beat. You never know where your time, man. Where you tire, man? In BA. The man say, well, where you think she call him and tell him say she pregnant? Exactly, Bridget. She say, she tried to scam Britney and them over there, Britney over there. And I don't see what them a do. She nah pick up for Britney because Britney nah rub me. Once you nah rub me, she no want ear see you. She want the one them we are rub. She's a user. Britney, as me say, Britney me 8, 9 and 10 yo. But God know, you're a girl of class. Take away your blood clot self, no girl, and go live your married life with the kids them no. You don't know them people, you know, Britney. You sit down and you show your nice house. And your clean body, and you have the girl them and bring you down the low lives, come off the blood clot, earth, diarrhea, and candy man mouth, sod, cold sore, eat down candy, blood clot, immune system break down to 0. Diarrhea knee cup them come like a blood clot cricket ball. You know the cricket ball? She couldn't breathe. Or she could breathe. The woman in a menopause. So she can't breathe. And they beat them what the man used to give her every time post. Every time you call me name, the man batter you. If you never go for the gunman them, I tell you them people are wicked, you know. You know man say, oh, I make the gunman them beat him up, your lucky girl them sit down on the live. And I say, then wait, then what she say Tanya saying gunman and the woman admit say she call the gunman them and for beat you go. And when the gunman them come and rough him up and you understand Teeny? Scare him. Right? Him stop beat her so. If you don't remember one at time for 4 months. She never, even if she come live, you go come in and say, I live there. Yeah, no, I'm not alive. And she put on the phone. Until she take time, cut off the live. You know, remember? Because the man beat out her blood clot. When she see you go, shit fly out her hole. Because you know say her hole and her pussy in her one. Yeah? She afraid of the man, afraid. She hide and attack. When I come and say the man a beat her, when you see a lie, me a tell. When I come and I tell her, say she call gunman pan him. When you see a lie, me a blood clot tell. Me used to over Puss live regularly, but when me hear her the other day at this your little daughter, I say, oh, she coulda and think she fucking sick. Baby picture. My video, you know, my video not nothing to do with the woman, you know. The woman a curse my daughter get 7 GHC out of 7. 4 distinction in a science. Peer A, oh God, man. Me look a baby na trouble, no. Me look a nerdy baby just go to school and come back. She's her mother baby, her mother teddy bear. Yeah, bring down my baby. Cause you never hold a surfer ticket, all you hold a baby. Teenage your daughter, them a teenage pregnancy, me nah batch it. She bright, Teeny. Teeny a £300 a month. Me pay for 3 years, extra lesson. Science with technology, maths and English. £100 a month for 1. And at 3, and my little sister pay 1 and me pay 2. Just come want my baby get the grade. Want she get the science because she want to be a psychology doctor. She want to work with children. So una go see me put them, you know. Una go see me post my daughter when she blood graduate, you know, with her doctor bachelor degree, you know. Remember my blood clot telling you know, think you can use the blood of Jesus against you. No think you can use no dirty stinking mouth and condemn my baby. My baby them covered. You outside the blood clot and then of course and it was fucking hard. But you know what, Teeny? I want her to reach. You know watch and see when she reach 18 because she had do 2 years in a college and then when she 18, she want she start uni early. Cause I know say I like 7 years for study, for be a psychology doctor, work with children. But come out of me and show me baby grade them. Chin take me on. Chin start post up some little grade 1 certificate. I want some blood clot, girl. I want some girl. Me not even trouble Chin, you know. Me not trouble the girl. The girl at class me and say, I want a blood clot, girl. Just because me a post. Me can't celebrate good things because them want to say bad things in my life. I lie tell Anthony you know blood clot know me. Anthony when your son can't bring out the grade them, you can't come blood clot chat to me. Me say me call me post my baby surfer ticket them. I'ma come cause everybody a celebrate, yeah? In England where I you know where them a graduate. And everybody I put up, you know, the grade them, I'ma come and say I was so excited. I'm there when my life Kiki come one girl named Puppy Dog Wall. Because none of you are 7 blood clot puppy dog them. I mean not talk about the normal puppy dog, I talk about the puppy dog them where she's a hyena. Yeah, puppy dog wall is a hyena. She mate with a mongrel dog, so she bring a blood clot hyena mongrel, pick them in a one. The girl take me on because me and show me kids them my baby surfer ticket. And I enjoy and feel happy and proud of myself. Know that me I am raising ladies, gentlemen. Me have one king, me not raise no whore, no prostitute, no thief, no criminal around here, so. My baby girl are gonna make me feel proud because I know she a go for her doctor bachelor degree. The next couple of years, when you see me come out and say, yeah, I didn't because she work for go to Harvard. She want to go to the top university. And this is she work on. And the part of she depend if she continue it because she have the grade, she gets 7 out of blood clot, 7. Everything my baby get. But the company so want to tear me down. Oh, yes, a bad mother. Me don't need no approval for money, you know. You see, because the queen approved me as a good mother. When social worker come on, me social worker, me and her talk. Yeah? I told me to stay like them for tape. government people, when she a compliment me for my being a mother. All I want is this big blood clot swine, black ugly cranny slime. Stop call me name, the man gone. Yeah, pretty. She dey on the right path. Humble little girl. Come home when she for come home. Me not have to worry about her. Say, oh God, no police now call me. Oh, come pick up your child because she go down this a shop, go thief. No. My baby well highly intelligent. I don't want bumbo clot tear me down. Me and my pick them account of life's hard. When you look out and see my life, when you go crazy over my blood clot life. As we say, I come back a year people for still candy world star. I don't know you, girl. I don't want to argue with you. Yeah, you come and I write up my name for no reason at all, you know, girl. You have your two beautiful children, them, you know. Stop being an idiot, you know. Me no know you, me no owe you no obligation. If I want to talk about Savage Carlin, me no blood clot, no, none of you can't stop me from talk. Jesus says, suffer the little children to come unto me and forbid them not. Such is the kingdom of heaven. God, I go deal with them. Okay. Of course, God, I go deal with them. Wait there. Let me show you what she do to my baby. I show you what she do to her. For no reason, you know. My baby graduated, me I celebrate my baby graduation. Yeah? Alright, see it people, me I go show you. 16-year-old. Look at this. Come on, man, when you cost people, you're picking them in that. When you have class, you look on the poor shoes about a big L. You look at Pitney foot. Pitney, look, you are cost people, Pitney. You know, shame of yourself. You know, shame of yourself to make your Pitney come look like you, girl. You know, shame of yourself, say the way how you eat and have the Pitney them look. Carry them to the fucking gym, bro. You're wicked to your Pitney them. You're a wicked fucking mother. But you itch up in my business. And stay in my business. Cause me now go nowhere. Fuck you, but you have to go where you fuck you. This girl. He exalt themselves will be a base to the Almighty. You talk about my grandchildren and my children. Look at this. Eh? Look at this. Look at your Pitney them, Bailey. Look how your Pitney stay bad. Look how your daughter stay bad for 15, I got 16-year-old. And you want class people Pitney. Look at your daughter. Look at your 15, I got 16-year-old. Certified for so good. That paper they shove it on. Hey, the wicked woman. The woman said my baby certified for so good. No, me post me baby, you know. I put up my baby. Now I have nothing to do with this woman, you know. This woman take off my daughter picture. And I said she certified. No puss a liar, blood clot tell. She certified for be a doctor. How it go? She said, it no matter if her body thick around. She can't stop her. For go for her goal. Dirty woman, dirty wicked woman, bad mind. Your bad mind, dirty woman, your old baby. Your daughter them give baby at 14 or 15. My daughter give me a surfing ticket. She and Amanda. My other little baby them young, so I can't speak for them. It's so cool, so I have to talk about it. Look at our daughter and she a class people Pitney. Look at your daughter and you a class people Pitney. Good God. Good God, man. The poor shoes are bad for murder.
Big ship sailing on the ocean.
May I show you something more? Madonna have that same shoes and may I show you Puss daughter.
My ugly picture, my children are nice. Nice. People me retarded and you have the retarded picture there, eh? One more day, this little girl in your belly, she's fully retarded. What are you saying? What are you saying? You get your medicine. Me dip on your back like blood clot, matlock. I'm tell you, say you got hard shoes, you not what you can do about it. You got knowledge.
But you hear that? Whoa, you got archers, man.
One belly blood clot, right? Eh? Your belly bang, your pick a belly bang, and then you want to go.
Alright, me I show you.
Fix the fuck up, right? Fix up now. Fix up, don't do that something there.
Wait, me I show you something. Me I show you our daughter have on the same shoes. Our daughter have on the same shoes as my daughter. The way that woman is wicked, you know, people. Me I show you how that woman is dangerous and wicked, you know. Our daughter have on the same shoes as my daughter. Exactly same. Wait, me I look fit. Me I show you. On my baby. You understand? When you look on the pep no be small. When you look at this, sea creature. When you look at this boy, this man, this big balls man, when you kuya, backlot. And this get up a war with people. And this attack, but me nice no blood clot, me no ox Christ. Me nice so it blood clot, red boots. Sir, when you say red boots, when you talk, sir. Like I care. May I look for the picture? Can I show you how she wicked? Our child have the spice and she bring down my baby and I say, my baby, when you hear her about and me make the boy all choose more. Oh we go blood clot, Tanya. Red boots. Wait a man, wait them. Find it. The same shoes our daughter have on. She bring down my poor little baby. Because you will never, ever hold a surf ticket like that. Never. You hate me. Alright, people. I'm sure you look here. See our daughter here, you know. See the great mother here, you know. See she have on the shoes there too, you know. You know, see our daughter. Me not bash our daughter, but me I show you something, you know. Our daughter have on the gold one and Kiara have on the black, the same exact, you know, shoes, you know. And she bring down my baby, you know. My baby she bring down. That not right. That is not right. When you know me have to play the music because Candy now get me blood clot like for post. Candy go dead, boy. Ya bring me down, our daughter, boy. Oh, whoa, oh. Our daughter is the same shoes. And she bring down my baby. Girl. Pep. Look here, queer. And this me grudge her, you know. When me can possible grudge and want be you. Look for your brace in front of you. Do man have no tears. Do man eh. Me not rub she no more. All me a say, with the belly, oh God man. And you are rub people. Go sit down and allow good, nice, clean people. Low people, make people live them life. Puss leave people, children alone. Stop bad mind people for them nice, intelligent baby them. You hurt. Because my daughter get her grade them. So me not like it. I say I hate that Samsung phone, I see. More show no. Up under the baby grade them, eh? Bad mind a kill your girl. Jesus Christ, man. Low people, children, post. Low people, children, make them survive. Stop blame me for no sad life. The life that don't me I got my bed. I say me come to address Candy World Star. Your name, I tell you, your name is at the station. That threat that you make upon my life, for watch where me I go, yeah, I don't trouble you, I don't know you. Nah, cuss you no girl, I'm not cussing you. I tell you, what you right say, you don't know, you put yourself in as a big A. You know? Tell you something. Them say who can hear shall feel. You know what me talk? Me never trouble blood clot internet. Me not trouble the girl. Me don't know the girl. Workless internet. The girl beat you and take your man and run you out of London. When you see my name I ring up in London, a Puss come, blood clot attack me. I make me feel to be alive and a cuss and I go. I am not that person. I am a peacemaker. And if I see something right, me go talk. Like how me a talk and I say, Brittany, me hate you. But you are not a fool. I should have the girl them over there bring you down for no reason, you know. Cause she know say she there try to scam you, you know. And she a try to scam you. Woman, go look on the live them what she do. She said she have you go phone. Bamba God, me not understand, I swear to God. It's like all I want to slow over there. Are a wicked no blood clot, wicked and shadow. You not exactly, auntie. You scam the amount of people. But tell her say what she do. She buy the stuff them, send them go one different address, and then claim back and say she not get them. You don't understand the woman a criminal. I saw the one mash up my blood clot PayPal. I buy 5 TI and she don't get the 5 blood clot product. I mean I say, what the fuck? What the fuck? 5 product and the bitch don't get it. The bitch says she don't get it. I'm say, my girl, you not come bumbo clot send me a prison, you know. Cause me have my dreams, you know, me have places to go, you know. Do man a thief. Them dunks no Ross all applied man can't see. Exactly. Me bring the phone. Oh, I get it now, Puss. I get it. He have my information and blah blah. Girl, go watch the blood clot life on social media blender. Check the time when him send you the message. Go over there and look. I man already there. Them was had said, but hey, me not kill up myself. All me I say. Full time now. You know, leave me alone. Go I wanna go. But win the battle. My brother is home. The prodigal son is home with his mother. Him at work. Him want to move on with him life. Him not want to answer you no more posts. Stop. Walk and send people. Alright, the same picture the way you put. Manda, I have some picture I want you put in the app. And see if you can find the original picture. Watch me in your diary. Because I know it's a people picture you put up. I know it's people picture you put up. You are your cheap Michael Kors. You $70 Michael Kors watch. With the leather band. Where you go with that? Where are you going with that, girl? Yes, she was scamming Amazon. I tell Amazon say she don't get this head woman. T.A. Why? Nina, leave me alone. Let me live my life. My blood clot win. My fucking win. Me win. You lose, Puss. Blood clot lose. Can you get bring down? You get international. All of the girl. Mitch boy them get everybody a laugh for you. Puss. You're a laugh. Me know you hurt. And you want to bring me down my car. You get bring down. But you didn't listen to me. This me and you wouldn't have this war, Puss. You too lie. Tell the people them the truth. Me never trouble you. You are evil, that's what you do. Bring down the girl them and bad man the girl them for them nice life. You want to kill me? Where you want to kill me for? Because I come and talk the truth, Antoinette. Hey, girl, me go get your file. Antoinette, me get your file today. I try me road and me this, me. Hey, Tanya, don't make me have to dash out it without warning, Antoinette. Dash it out without warning. The whole of una some bunch of blood clot, da. Una not clot, you never say blind and lead blind. Una make a woman who can't read and write, can't spell. Ugly, stink, rusty. Nah, no like woman, nah, no life, you know. Woman, nah, no friend. Karen, you said, oh, love. Karen, you see, Karen, you see me, I'm a friend, them, a nice friend, them, goats. Go enjoy yourself. Like, what? Who gives a fuck? I don't care. I don't beat it. Una no friend, una blood clot friend enemy. It's all damage control. She do. Since you go clear his name about his old phone, she had sense to lie. So all of them know to scam them out, of course. From June, she said, June, I tell the woman, said, go back on social media I see the live them what she do. She and Hugo was in St. Thomas and she take away the man blood clot phone. Bumbo clot. I'm telling you, God have a special beating for Uno, you know. Just because Uno hate me. Ask her, what do you hate me for? Big up auntie, Dan. What do you hate me for? Me don't know Uno don't know me. But when you come and talk, Uno cuss me now. I said, Tanya, you don't know me. But Uno know me. Me don't know Uno, know, but Uno know me. Post stop the foolishness. Cause somebody are gonna get hurt. I mean, I gonna say no me, no. Cause the threat them we are sent for me, no. You understand? Me nah go say because she say, oh, I know me. She do one live and time she say, oh, I know me I gonna get hurt in her time. Nah, mama, me have all of them there. What's up, auntie?
Hold on there, but still there. I work, me just a leave out, so can't make my poor work at them no say. That's so me can't go on. You understand?
Them
Can't
a check me. We get a screenshot to the one girl when you step. Before watch me head back when you transport
listen.
and I head.
It look
Yeah,
like when them that dash a bad mind. The whole of it dash in a UK. We get it over here, you know. But we don't have so much bad mind walkless girl over America, yeah. Cause guess what happened? You see the girl them over here, I follow them. You know, say what you know what happened to you will reach you right now, Tanya? At the AIDS victim office bus out for you. All of them were full of pill, like hospital. And the whole of them are come
yeah,
sick. I can't even get to lick it up because guess what happened? I come from work. I don't know who they in our corner. Go see them hear me. But I'm like, give you this. I the whole of the victim them broke out on you. The capsule
the
body,
HIV
the
victim.
pharmacy, the dead house. You understand? Tanya, I know you go and push them and take it up far. Are your papers where your auntie sent come here? The queen. You understand? So them realize say you're the queen family now. You understand? Them push
Yeah.
you like dirt. Worm in a dirt. Them girl if you go. You first stop arguing with them. You first
Me
stop
not argue with
arguing with
them, me
them.
not come back. Me just a come to tell Candy World Thursday. You threaten me,